Here are 10 lessons I learned in 2023. This is day 7 and lesson number 7. I learned the importance of making peace with a worst case scenario. I teach EFT tapping, and this is the root of why tapping is so effective and why it works. It's because you learn to accept whatever is happening and whatever could or might happen. So if you're manifesting something and you're waiting for it to come and you're affirming, you're meditating, you're journaling, you're doing everything that you can to get that outcome and you can't stop thinking about it, you're creating some type of resistance or control over your manifestation. And this doesn't mean that you cannot do all that, right? Of course you can. I affirm every day, I meditate every day, I do EFT tapping every day, but it comes from a place of no expectations. I tell myself that even if this thing doesn't happen, even if I don't get my manifestation, even if my person doesn't come back to me, even if I don't manifest my person, I'm still a good person and I'm still going to be okay. And everything is still working out in my favor because that's just how the universe works. It's always working out for me. So I have nothing to worry about. I'm okay if I don't get my manifestation. I'm okay if I do get it. Either way, I'm safe and I'm still going to have an amazing life. When you make peace with that, with a worst case scenario, you are releasing resistance. If you're familiar with Bashar, he always talks about expressing your highest passion without expecting a specific outcome, which means set your intentions and live your life. Enjoy every second, every moment of it. Don't sit around and wait for your manifestation. Let it come to you. Enjoy the process of creation. Love every single experience and circumstance. I guarantee you, if you live this way, you will not only get your manifestation, but you will experience something even more magical. Synchronicities will happen in your life that you couldn't even imagine was possible because you allow a higher force, a more intelligent force, which is within you and connected to you, by the way, to lead the way. Okay? So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Follow for more, and I'll see you tomorrow.